I made these two personal trading indicator and today I am giving them to you completely free. You can get both of them from the link in the description or through my Discord at no cost. But don't get too excited just yet. Before you use them, watch this video until the end because I will show you the exact setting I use, how to set them up correctly and the right way to use them. One important thing, these are entry confirmation indicator, not magic buy and sell indicator. If you already have a profitable strategy, this will help you to confirm better entries. If you don't have a complete mechanical trading strategy yet, I have already created a free YouTube playlist where I share the exact strategy I have developed over the last 5 years. Learn market structure, zone marking and trade execution from this playlist first. Then use this indicator only to confirm your entries. Now let's get started. First, here is the exact setting I use. Pause the video if you need to and copy everything exactly as shown. You can add this indicator to your TradingView chart using the link in the description. Once your setting match mine, we will jump straight into real chart example and see how to use them effectively. Let's start the chart example. Now I will mark the market structure as I already teach you in previous video. And after that, after watching this complete video, you can watch the complete strategy video and you can see there is the breakup structure to the upside and also in the downside, and again market break to the upside. So this level is our and this level is our entry, and after it break the market structure to the upside, this is the resistance becomes support level. And now let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see, let's open this indicator and this indicator also. First let's see on this indicator, let's wait for the candle to form white because we put our setting to white for the bullish candle. Let's see, yeah, market reach into our QM level, and let's wait for the market to form the white candle. Here you can see it formed the white candle and we can just trade from this level, and SL is at this point, and this is the entry from this indicator. And let's see by the another indicator. On the another indicator, it already given entry at this level. So basically this indicator is the inverse fair value of indicator, and this indicator is the engulfing indicator with some filter. And if you use this indicator, then it goes like this, and you can see here is the 5-minute and 15-minute chart, higher time frame chart that I use by this indicator to print here. And you can also get this by using the set as I already show you here. The importance of 5-minute and 15-minute, that is already I teach you in this video. You can see which is posted 6 days ago, and you can see entries like this. And let's see how it goes, and it both of the entries hit the TP like this. You can use any of the indicator at once, and but if you want to both indicator to print, you can just use one indicator visibility off and just constantly switch to the both indicator, because the one indicator can override the another, so that it can so that it may not print the entry confirmation clearly. You can see both entries got TP. And let's see the another example. And another example is here. You can see this is the market structure break to the upside, and let's cut it here. Let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see, and you can see one engulfing indicator already printed entry here. And let's see, let's wait for the another entry also. I think it the same entries here, because you can see this indicator is off and this is on, so both entry at the same level with the both entry. You can see like this. This is the perfect one is to clear a trade by the both indicator like this. And let's see the another example on the gold, and you can see this is the level from the 15-minute for the counter trend. And after that we go to the 3-minute time frame for the entry confirmation, and you can see there is the inverse fair value gap entry confirmation already opened here. But I think, yeah, this engulfing entry confirmation is at this level. This is the engulfing entry confirmation, and another is the inverse fair value gap entry confirmation. Both are entry here, and yeah, you can see like this. And let's just play the market here, and it goes like this with the both entry indicator. You can see. If you don't know the importance of 5-minute and 15-minute, I suggest you to watch the recent video. In that video, I already told you about the importance of that 5-minute and 15-minute candle. And let's see the another example on the 15-minute. Yeah, you can see there is the break of stock, sir, and this is the zone. Support become resistance zone. Let's cut it here, and let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute, you can see, let's wait for the market to is at our level. On our level there from the 2 entry here, you can see this is the engulfing entry here at this level, and then another, this is inverse fair value gap entry here. You can see both of the entries are available at this level, and let's just wait for the market to run like this. You can see both of the entries got 1:3 are perfect TP. And yeah, like this, I already show you in the gold and Euro USD. Now let's see on the NASDAQ. Let's see the one example on the NASDAQ. On the NASDAQ, you can see there is the break of stock, sir. And after that, I look for the 5-minute is the market stock, sir, on the NASDAQ, and 1 minute for the entry confirmation. So let's see the entry confirmation on 1 minute. You can see both indicators are open. Let's see which indicator print the entry confirmation first. You can see there is no any indicator confirmation yet. Let's wait. Yeah, you can see they're from the engulfing entry confirmation at this level, and another entry confirmation which is inverse fair value gap like this. And you can see there is the inverse fair value gap entry confirmation at this level, and the engulfing entry confirmation at this level, you can see. And also this is also the engulfing entry, because you can see there is the bullish candle and the bearish candle, and it also this is the same candle from the inverse fair value gap at this level. So yeah, it goes like this, and let's see, and you can see TP like this. Yeah, this is the perfect trade by the 2 entry confirmation using the indicator. And let's see the another example, and here we can see there is the break of stock, sir, and let's wait for the market to reach into our level, and yeah, it is into our level, and you can see both of the indicator print black candle here, because there is engulfing. You may think this is the normal engulfing, but this engulfing is not just normal engulfing, because there is lots of filter engulfing with the wick filter and also the pressure filter. Everything I talk already about in my YouTube video. So yeah, you can see there is the engulfing entry here, and also the inverse fair value gap entry here. So yeah, both of the entry at the same level, and you can trade like this. This is the both 2 entries at the same level like this, and it goes like this on the TP. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel also, and I will upload the trading related content and everything about my strategy, ms-snr. And yeah, see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.